Hi, my name's Alan. If you're looking for a great way to pump water, maybe this summer you've got a pool or two that you fill up and they're pretty good size and it's hard to tip over and you don't want to have to bail it out with a bucket. Let me show you this little Seesii, S-E-E-S-I-I, I assume that's the way you pronounce it, water pump. It comes with two 4-amp-hour batteries, so it'll run a long time. We're going to show you how it pumps water. Now it'll also pump diesel, but the end of it here that goes in the tank is a little bit too big for the can I've got, so I can't show you that. But I want to show you how quickly it's self-priming, picks up the water. You don't have to do any priming, anything like that. Easy to assemble. Comes in the box, really well packed, really well packaged. They don't want it to get hurt in shipping, and came to me real quickly. The company sent me this to review for you guys. That's what I want to do now. Just show you how quickly. It's a 5-gallon bucket. I haven't timed it yet, but we're going to right now. Let me turn it on. You'll see how quickly it picks it up. It's almost instantaneous. You'll hear it whirring a little bit. Water comes out that quick. And then I'm going to start to watch. That is going down quick. So if you need to pump out a little swimming pool, shoot, it could be anything. Bailing out a boat, something like that. This is a fast way to do it. Again, this is 5 gallons. We'll put it down in there so it gets every little drop. And it is pumping like crazy. Just about empty. 35 seconds. 35 seconds. I tell you, that's quick. That's quick for a 5-gallon bucket. It took me longer than that to fill it up with my water hose. So it's probably got an inch, I would say an inch outlet, inch inlet. So pumps water really fast. Again, to use on diesel, I'd have to use a can with a bigger mouth on it, because this won't quite go down in mine. But as you can see, it pumped that thing down just almost to the bottom. If you're looking for a way, again, to pump water this summer, especially this summer, anytime, if you've got a boat and you go out there from time to time, it's out on the dock and it's got water in it, what a great way to get it pumped out. You can't do flammable liquids like something real thin, kerosene, gasoline, things like that. It's just not built for that, but it will do diesel. They say it will do diesel. I just can't get that down in my diesel. The diesel tank, I've got some diesel in the can. But if you're looking to pump water or diesel, this thing right here will do it. Comes with 2 batteries, 2 4-amp batteries. Those things will last a long time. Easy to hook up. It's got a quick connect here. Take it on, off. So I mean, what is not to like? That's a really nice setup from Seesii. So check it out and get you one. I like it. Hope that helps you.